Good everybody, Rana here, watching Rana's Radar. I'm here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, sitting inside the 1964 Chevy Impala Super Sport. It's here for sale. If you're looking for a 1964 Chevy Impala, I think you may have just found it. The beautiful Almond Fawn is the color that we are looking here on the exterior. It's not exactly gold or bronze. It's just the perfect shade. The hint of almond, I can see that. I hope you can as well. Super Sport icon, American muscle car right in front of us here. With the 327 cubic inches under the hood, got drum brakes, power steering, factory air. There's a lot here. Super Sport Impalas were one of the most desirable Impalas of all time. The Super Sport package included the trim, the upgraded interior, and of course factory air as well. Upgraded interior's got the factory air conditioning, cream tan, all vinyl interior, as well as bucket seats with that center console that we know and love. So all you Chevy folk out there, this is here listed for sale. Classic Cars of Sarasota is where I'm standing. Check out the number on the screen. Just under $65,000. It's ready to drive with a 327 cubic inch V8 block in there. Drum brakes all around. It's ready for you to take into the next car show.